Hi amigas, let's make horchata. So 1 cup of long grain white rice and 1.5 sticks of cinnamon. I'm crushing mine with my wrist. Look how strong my wrists are. Them wrist workouts really be working out. All right, so we're going to crush it so our blender doesn't have to work so hard. And we're going to throw in a splash of Mexican blend vanilla. You can use whatever vanilla you have and some warm water. I'm going to set mine outside for 3 to 4 hours in the direct sunlight, covered so no buggies get in there, to soften the rice and the cinnamon. You can do it overnight in your fridge, whatever works for you. Now in 10 cups of water, we're going to throw 1 can of evaporated milk, all right, and 1 can of condensed milk. Yes, and I actually ended up adding half a cup of sugar, but I didn't record that. So add half a cup of sugar or whatever amount of sugar you want to keep it sweet, but it's going to dilute with the ice. Look at me. I used all my condensed milk. Nice. Now you're going to stir until the sugar and all the milks and the water are nicely combined and dissolved. All right, now with our blender, we're going to throw in that rice, cinnamon, and vanilla mixture into the blender. And we're going to top it off with some water. You can also top it off with some milk to blend it with. I prefer water. It cuts some calories. And blend in 15 minutes. Depending on your the power of your blender, it'll be like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now we're going to stop our blender and we're going to strain it. Straining is super important so your horchata doesn't turn out gritty. Horchata is like a cinnamon milky beverage that we serve in Mexico. It's super traditional at the taco stands, at all the restaurants. It's delicious. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Now we're going to add our ice spheres and we're going to mix all that together. I didn't record that either, but I did mix it together. And we're going to serve over ice and it tastes delicious. And I hope you guys get the opportunity to make this. Your kids will love it. You will love it. And your tacos will taste better. Okay, bye.